Hi. I wanted to make a quick video on how to connect TradingView with alerts and trade based on alerts using Capitalise.AI platform. I really like this platform, and um, Josh, who's the founder, he's very responsive in his emails because sometimes I make mistakes while building my strategy and so yeah, we'll see how I connect the TradingView alerts to Capitalise.AI, and then how it sends the orders automatically, buy and sell orders to my broker. So we will create a um, we'll create a strategy here. So currently I'm looking at the SHAK chart, and right now the sell order has happened on 17th May 2024, and today it's 21 June. So um, we have to wait until the signal says buy and then buy. So I wait until the signal says buy. So this last signal on 25th January, it went on 70, and it was around 70, and then it took to 110, and then of course when it started going down, it's a sell signal. Then it started going up, it says buy signal. So here we make a lot of money. Here maybe it's like break even or a little bit loss. Here again it's break even or a little bit loss, but you are not holding the stock from 100 to 88 and just hoping when it'll go up it can. So here with my method, we don't try to predict what's going to happen. We just listen to the market and go in that direction. Same here, when the stock was trading at 80, it started going down, you sell, and you're saved from this big drop. And then when it start going up, you buy. So all these signals are free in my Telegram channel, and I'm sending alerts to my friends also. But again, these are not. This is not financial advice. This is not tax advice. This is just for education purposes. Um, okay, so let's look at the strategies. And then create a strategy. So I've already typed it, but I'll start typing it again. Okay. So buy 2000 USD worth of Shake Shack. So it shows the options. And I've written buy 2000 USD worth, but it could be written like multiple ways. So it tries to understand your language, but it has like a lot of limitations. You can't just write anything. It has to be in a format that Capitalize.ai understand. And this is considered like a no code platform, because um, to have this such a simple strategy, listen to your webhook and send the buy signal is very, very complicated. It's not that simple, even if it sounds like a simple strategy. Okay, so buy 2000 USD worth of Shake Shack when webhook. Okay, so you copy this. So this is the URL of the webhook of Capitalise.ai, and this is the message of webhook. You copy it and you paste it here. So you say buy, this is the webhook, and we will use this later on when webhook, and then it gives you triggers. Okay, that's it. You can add more conditions. The time should be more than 10 a.m. or whatever. Like you can have like 10 different conditions. But this is a simple strategy, and all the coding and filtering is happening in the web in the when the webhook triggers from the trading view side. So when the webhook triggers, and then next, and close position. So it already listed it here, but I'll start from here, the beginning. So you want to close position. So as soon as you type it, I select it like, okay, this is the word it understands. Close position when webhook. So you click the webhook. This is a different webhook for closing the position, and sell condition here when webhook and triggers. Okay, or profit. Okay, it understands profit. Is, let's say, 10%. Okay, so it understand this thing. So close position when webhook triggers or profit is 10%. So whichever reaches first, whether we get a sell signal or we get a profit of 10%, we'll close the position. So I usually do both. Basically, I usually do both. So using only one alert signal, it will send an alert to Capitalise.AI to hold the position, because you don't want to sell all of it. So maybe you're buying $2,000 worth of SHAK, and when the buy signal goes off, and we have a profit target of, let's say, 10%, but in the second strategy you don't have a profit target and you wait for the sell signal. So in case there is like a 50% run, you're capturing it. So but in case it's only like a 10% run, you're still capturing it, so that basically you're managing your risk and profit. So when I go next, so it'll give you the entry condition, the exit conditions, and so if the exit condition happens or the profit and loss happens. So sometimes I will have only exit condition, sometimes I will have a combination of exit condition and a profit target. And of course, this profit target differs in ETFs, because ETFs move slowly and stock moves fast. So in ETFs, I will have like 3% profit target. But if it is a triple leverage ETF, I might have 10% profit target. And so this is pretty cool, because you can put it in loop and hit limit of, let's say, 200, until the 200 trade happens. And strategy stop loss is, because this is a $2,000 position, so I will say, okay, if we have lost $600, which is 30%, you doing this strategy, then stop the strategy. So this is like a broad strategy stop loss if your strategy is like really bad. And then I'll give it a name, buying SHAK with SHAK daily webhook, or webhooks. Okay, and then you just set it to run live. So now it is buying SHAK. So it's waiting for the trigger. It's waiting for this webhook trigger to happen. And of course, I will delete these webhook triggers, because anyone can trigger my webhooks. So that's the risk. So this is kind of like a secret address that you don't want to show it to other people. But yeah, right now the strategy is live. It's waiting for this. So what will happen is, in trading view side, let's say you set up an alert, and I'm not going to show you the alert, but I'll just show you like what are the main ones. So you have to enter alert name. Maybe you'll write SHAK buy signal, and this is how my alert goes. Daily chart. Okay, so this is a buy signal, and next alert will be like there will be a sell signal daily chart, right? So sell. Okay, so there will be two alerts, buy signal and sell signal, for the alert name. And this I actually send it to everyone in the channel. And then in the message, what happens is I put this exact buy in the message. That's it. Like no it's JSON, and make sure these signs are the JSON signs, like they are not like tilted quotes. They are like parallel vertical quotes. Okay, sell. So this will be sell signal, and webhook URL is under the notifications tab, and you have to type this webhook URL as it is. But once you type it, it is already pre-populated for next alerts. And again, for this message, I'll put the sell. So sometimes what happens is, like I in copy pasting, I made mistakes where I put the buy webhook in sell and sell webhook in buy. So. And also, if you don't have a premium plan, you have a limited number of alerts. So I have, I think, some upgraded plan, which I can set up 100 alerts. But still, these webhook expire. So that's another pain. You have to like, it expires in 2 months. So you need to have like the best plan to have, so that they never expire. But what this does is, I don't have to monitor the market. I don't have to monitor, the news. It's just like as soon as the webhook fires, it's instantly buys. Like there is like maybe like 1 second or max 2 second delay from the firing of TradingView webhook and actually buying the position on Interactive Brokers platform. And this is a free service from Capitalise.AI, and I really like it. They have a max of 60 trading strategies you can do, and there are some strategies I have programmed within Capitalise.AI using their own indicators. But most of my strategies are connected to TradingView. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will also post my link of my Telegram channel if you want to join. It's free to get these alerts. Right now we have around 15 stocks and ETFs, and I'll be adding 6 today. I'll be adding SHAK, Carvana, Apple, Reddit, NVDA, PayPal, and Google. And so my strategy is like really good. I trust it. For example, look at NVIDIA chart. We get in at 87, and right now, I mean, when it was 870, and right now it's still going long. And so here it start going drop. It tells you to sell, but see, I mean, any strategy will work well in NVIDIA because it has been going up. But let's look at PayPal. So in PayPal right now it's going up and down, so maybe we take some losses, but over the long term, when it is going up, it takes you out before even the big drawdown happens, and then as it starts going up, it again tell you to buy it. So this was like a all drawdown, but it has bought multiple times, and it made losses multiple times, but they are all like small losses of 2 to 5%, and some gains even in the downtrending market. And I feel maybe when it starts going up, if there is a big move, it will be captured in PayPal. Now let's look at Google. So Google, it's at a buy signal on 19th March at 144, and now it's at 180. So again, all these big up moves are captured in the. And some people, I was actually talking to some people, what they're doing is when there's a sell signal, they actually buy some put options. I'm not buying put options for stocks. I am all long only, but I am considering using Alpaca to automate that. Let's look at Reddit. Reddit, like, it is more recent, so it has been in buy mode because my strategy needs some a lot of data before, so there was no signal initially. So it's a recent IPO, but yeah, next will be sell signal, and when the buy signal happens, my strategy will buy it. Carvana, okay, it captured like this big move. It captured this move from 45 to 94, and then set a sell signal to 78, and then 76 to 111. So it's capturing big moves. So yeah. So I'll be setting up all these signals and alerts today. So let me know if you have any questions.